Okay, welcome back to the channel. So we're taking a look at this lens hood kit from Freewell. Now this is on my Fujifilm X-E5 and I've previously reviewed a lens hood kit from another company, but that unfortunately ripped the front off my 23mm, so I'm hoping this is a better option. This kit from Freewell is, I think, the best kit I've found so far for the 23mm, and you have these magnetic filters that go on the front of the lens here. And I think this is the best system I've seen. So you've got these magnets in the corners here. And then in the kit, you get 3 of these filters. This is the UV filter. And as you can see and hear, strongly magnetizes to the front of the hood. Now, let's just take that off. So this is the kit. Pro lens hood. We have a PL, UV, and a mist. Now, in the kit, you have this little box with the filters in. And you have them in here like so. So a nice neat little setup. So you have your polarizer, and that's going to cut down your reflections. Then you have your glow mist, which is going to give you nice blooms to your highlights. So this is a glow mist quarter. Might be a bit strong for me because I quite like just using an 1/8. So with the filters, you can rotate them 180 degrees like so. They're not quite square, but as you can see, they fit on there really flush and they offer a lot of protection to the front of your lens. Now let's just take that off. So this is how it fits. It just screws on the front of your 23mm like so. And the thread on the 23mm is just inside the lens here. And this section is actually plastic. And what I say to you is please be careful when you're using lens hood kits on this lens, because not this hood kit, but a previous one, when I was tightening it up, I over tightened it and it ripped the front off of the lens. So this section in here, this plastic section, just ripped out and it broke the mounts inside, because for some reason I thought that was metal and I thought it was really robust, and over tightening it just sheared off the mounts inside and it all came off together. So I've managed to fix it and it works absolutely fine now, but yeah, just be careful of that. No issues with the focus motor. So when you turn on the lens, it establishes like so, and then it parks itself there. So with the other kit that I reviewed, and I'll put a link to that at the end of the video, it did have issues with the focus motor, but this doesn't at all. It's been perfectly aligned to work with this lens. So I think in general, it's a really good option, and it looks super stylish on the front of the 23mm on the XE5. Apparently this is compatible also with the 27mm Fuji lens, pancake lens. I do have the TT Artisan 27mm, and that has the same thread on the front, and I'm just showing you that you can actually screw it on the front of there and it will also fit. Now what you'll need to do is adjust it with the hex key, little Allen key that goes in here. So let's do that. So you get this tiny little Allen key, really thin like this, and then on the lens here you can go in, undo that little nut there. You can then rotate your hood accordingly, line it up, square it off, and then lock that with the Allen key. The lens doesn't move itself because that's not how it actuates on this lens, but you do have a gap here. And yeah, I just thought I'd show you that on the TT Artisan lens also. So that is it for this video. If you found it interesting, if you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of future videos. Lots more coming soon, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.